homemade salad dressing, and I'm loving this Emulster salad dressing mixer. It's so easy to use, and it always gives you the fresh salad dressing, which is a really good thing because bottle dressing just isn't that great. So all you do is you just pour in your oil, and then you're gonna put in some vinegar or whatever it is that you like to use on your salad dressing. And then I like to put in some fresh herbs. I have some growing in my garden and a little garlic. And then I like to put in some honey. And I also like to put in a little mustard. So I got everything ready to go. And then I'm just going to pop on the lid. Just pops right on like this, and then you just go like this. I love this. I think this is great. It really mixes it up. And then when you move it over to this position, you can just pour it out over your salad. It's so cool.